Time also normalization, because of the normalization I was unable to do. This time also the paper got leaked. When will I get the chance? When will I have a job? I'm preparing for so long. I have actually gave my private job to serve the nation. I want to be an officer. I want to serve the nation, but the government is not giving me the opportunity. Why is he not concerned about the youth of the country? Why is he not concerned about our plight? From me, everybody is earning money. I am an aspirant. I give money to the tuition teacher. I give money to the library. I give money to the PG. I'm coming and living and attending coachings here. I am unable to make a single penny of money, but everybody, they are making the money through me. When will I get?
चरित्रवान है और अच्छी फैमिली से है। अगर वो सुबह आपको 5 बजे उठकर आपके पैरों में मालिश कर रही, शूज भी पहना रही और अपने पेरेंट्स के फादर इन लॉ मदर इन लॉ की सेवा करे और फैमिली की कर रही है, तो तुम क्यों दूसरी जगह जा रहे हो? क्यों बड़े बड़े होटल में अय्याशी करने जा रहे हो? ये सबसे बड़ी। अगर आपकी पत्नी कैरेक्टरलेस है तो उसको फेंक दो।
Here is Mr. Junnilal, your cameraman. So now I am going to talk about what is the condition. Yeah.
You are not cameraman. You are reporter, right?
Oh, sorry. He told me. Hey, wait. What do you want to say? Like, you know, here your name is what is your name?
My name is Saddam Hussain.
Saddam Hussain. Like he is selling, you know, he is saying that I have done BTech. He has done BTech and he's selling guava right now. So is it okay or not? What do you want to say about this person?
I mean, according to me, this is not okay, sir, because they have they have no any type of skill. They have no any type of education. They are selling
Actually, of
this
course.
type of things.
Oh, I'm sorry. Hey, wait. Don't do like that. What's your problem?
Sir.
What's your problem?
Sir, I have completed my graduation.
You have completed your graduation?
Sir,
now you wanna marry?
No, sir.
So why are you protesting here, man?
Because I prepared BPSC exam. I was selling to buffaloes for free.
You are selling buffalo?
Yes, sir.
Excuse me, do you want to purchase buffalo? He's selling buffalo.
Sold, sir.
Oh, already have sold.
Yeah, already I was sold, sir.
Okay.
For preparing BPSC exam. When I attended the BPSC exam, some paper was leaked. Suddenly paper was leaked and we didn't pass in exam. It's not a one-time mistake, it's a many-time mistake.
Why are you defaming government here, sir? Your current government.
I'm blame government because they one time we can see it.
Oh my God, wait, sir, I'm coming. Excuse me, uncle.
Actually, sir, I have done graduation and right now I am completed a master degree in politics.
You have completed?
Actually, I wanted to become like a state PCS officer.
Yes.
But the lack of the government, they are not doing work. Sir, normalization and the some like
Oh my
paper
God.
leak. That's why, sir, I choose this because I am a
Oh my
married
goodness.
boy.
This
My
is the
child-
harsh reality. This is the harsh reality. Our educated youth, they are becoming drivers. They should become scientists. They should become doctors. They should become engineers. But they're becoming drivers? Oh my God. No problem. You can take my tissue, right? Come on, you can take this tissue, right? No problem. Take care.
But sir, you are a media person. You do my justice.
I
sir.
will
Please
show you.
show
I will
the-
show the reality.
Yes, sir,
Yeah.
because-
Government will do something for you. Excuse me, sir. Why are you emotional, right?
Yes,
Why are you
I
here
am in
today?
depression. I will commit suicide.
Excuse me. Why?
I am so depressed, sir, because I sold jewelry.
You sold jewelry?
My mother.
Excuse me.
Only one
Oh,
was
your mother's jewelry
Yes,
you have
yes.
sold.
Then I had completed my BEd degree, but UP government not provided in any single vacancy till 7 years, sir. Bihar government is better than UP government, sir. He provided.
You
4
should
lakhs,
focus
sir.
on skill development, right? Why do you wait for?
I don't have money for skill development, sir.
Oh my God, dear viewers, this is the problem.
He's lying. He's
Really?
lying, sir. Because I know, sir. I know him.
What I
because
know?
I know him. Because at this time, this is a very big person, sir.
I
And
am not big person.
And he has married more.
I want to show you harsh reality. Please come here. The cameraman Junnilal, please come here. All right. Oh my God, what happened here? What happened, ma'am? Excuse me. Why are you crying here?
Sir, I've come here for the protest, sir. I want the exam to be reconducted. I've been giving this exam for so
Could
many
you please
years.
leave this, right? You want exam to be reconducted,
yes,
right?
Yes, I want it to be reconducted because of some bad person. Paper got leaked, and I am not getting the opportunity to come and serve the nation. I am like waiting.
What kind of examination are you talking about?
Civil service examination, sir. The paper got leaked.
Which exam?
Civil service examination.
Oh my God,
Yeah.
it has got leaked.
Yes, sir.
Oh my
yes.
God, what do you want actually from government?
So I want the paper to be reconducted in a fair manner. Government should work more on maintaining the transparency. Many people, they come and they, in the name of other people, they give the examination.
Of course,
Many
I mean,
people come
we
and
are-
they bribe people who have already cleared the examination. They come and they write the people. Because of them, the cutoff is rising, and because of that, people we are not able to come and give the examination. We are not able to clear the examination because of the high cutoff. My family, it's like they are expecting this time that I will clear the exam, I'll get a job, but this time I don't think it won't happen because of this. No, last time also normalization, because of the normalization I was unable to do. This time also the paper got leaked. When will I get the chance? When will I have a job? I'm preparing for so long. I have actually gave my private job to serve the nation. I want to be an officer. I want to serve the nation, but the government is not giving me the opportunity. Why is he not concerned about the youth of the country? Why is he not concerned about our plight? From me, everybody is earning money. I am an aspirant. I give money to the tuition teacher. I give money to the library. I give money to the PG. I'm coming and living and attending coachings here. I am unable to make a single penny of money, but everybody, they are making the money through me. When will I get job? When will I be employed?
I can understand, ma'am, but you know the point is that sometimes paper leaks are happening because of anti-government as well, right? So you can directly not blame to the government here right now.
Sir, so whom should I blame, sir? There is nobody to look after it. The government has taken the responsibility.
I
The
can
Constitution
understand
says that they have taken the responsibility of citizens.
This girl looks quite, you know, studious. This girl looks quite, you know, talented. I believe that one day she will become whatever she wants, but you know, this kind of examination should not be leaked. The paper should not be leaked because so many aspirants are unable to become. They have been, you know, preparing for so long, but you know, because of this paper leak, their dreams are being shattered. All right, but don't worry. I think this problem will be sorted out, right? All right, excuse me. What happened to you, sir? What are you doing here?
Yeah, I know English, sir.
You know English?
Yes.
That's fine. So what's up here? What are you doing here, brother?
Because of, sir, it's a reality of life. I have done the BTech, but I'm currently fruit selling. Yeah, I just
That's okay. I think, you know, our Prime Minister is promoting, right? Be Atmanirbhar. If you are Atmanirbhar, it's okay, right? Come on. Don't worry about it.
Yeah, sir. So ये ठेला is my like a BTech वाला, sir. BTech वाला ठेला, and sir.
BTech wal chela.
Yes,
No,
sir.
that is absolutely okay, right? If you're saying what is wrong? Excuse me. What do you want to say? Like, you know, here your name is what is your name?
My name is Saddam Hussain.
Saddam Hussein. Like he's selling, you know, he's saying that I have done BTech. He has done BTech and he's selling guava right now. So is it okay or not? What do you want to say about this person?
I mean, according to me, this is not okay, sir, because they have they have no any type of skill. They have no any type of education. They are selling
Actually, of
this
course.
type of things.
Oh, I'm sorry. Hey, wait. Don't do like that. Don't do like that, okay? Wait. I'm sorry. All right. Hello, miss. Excuse me. What's your name, ma'am?
Aditi, sir.
As you know, he's saying that he has done BTech, but he's selling guava. What is wrong with this? What do you want to say? What do you want to say?
Sir, he doesn't have a manner how to talk the people, and he's doing his business. Nothing is wrong with that, but his manner is that's why it is a problem of education system.
Right. Absolutely okay. Yes. Now, best of luck for that, man. You are saying you're doing well job. You're doing well job. What do you want to say, man? Come on.
All the person shows he's nothing. He's like a seller and fruit seller. I know, sir. Per day I earn per day 6,000 and month around 2 lakhs.
Are you happy with this duty?
Yes, sir, I'm happy. I'm
So
happy.
if you are happy, then why are you shouting here?
Sir, I know very well. No. 25 रुपए पाव है भाई ले ले 25 का है हाँ अरे भाई
Very costly, and how can you say the 25 rupees pav?
Hey, wait. Excuse me. You look very educated, right? So if you are damn educated, you should go for doing job. Then why are you selling this guava?
Excuse me, sir, I want to say my view and my opinion. Sir, I know 2 lakh months, non company, Microsoft, Google, and non company give me per month 2 lakh because here is unlimited. It is the first.
This is the ground this is the ground reality. You can see my viewers, if you can see this is the ground reality nowadays, right? A lot of people, they are educated, but they have to sell, this kind of guava and fruits on the road. I think government should think about it. Government should take care of it. Government should keep an eye on this, right? So that our youth can focus on something else, right? So this was me, Mr. Cap, shining before all of you with cameraman Junni Lal.
I appreciate him, sir. I appreciate him, sir. Because he was earning money.
Why?
Sir, you can see.
What happened? Oh my God, sir. What happened to you? What's your name, sir? First of all, tell me.
My name is Vikas, and sir, I am well skilled and well qualified. Sir, I have a degree, but I can't find job in this government because we are facing a lot of problems, sir. Sir,
What kind of problem do you face, brother?
sir, I am well skilled, but sir, you can look, sir, I am doing this job.
It's okay. What's wrong with this?
Sir, because I am skilled, sir. I want to serve this nation, sir. I want to become an officer. Yes, sir.
I can
This is, sir,
understand
our
that.
problem, sir. Sir, today,
Oh, my
today,
goodness.
sir, today, sir, our sister, small sister, sir,
Hello,
birthday,
bhai.
but today we are.
क्या नाम है आपका?
श्याम मोहन
आप स्विगी में काम करते हैं?
जी।
खुश हैं इस नौकरी से? कितना कमा लेते हैं आप?
10 से 15,000 रुपए
बहुत है लगता है, राइट? आपको क्या लगता है, बहुत है या फिर और कमाना चाहिए?
और कमाना चाहिए।
और कमाना चाहिए, ठीक है। क्या आपको लगता है कि इस महंगाई में 15,000 रुपये में आप अपना जीवन यापन कर पा रहे हैं कि नहीं?
नहीं,
तो गवर्नमेंट से क्या मांग है आपकी?
बस अर्निंग को बढ़ाई जाए और किसी तरीके से हम लोगों की इनकम बढ़नी चाहिए।
इनकम बढ़नी चाहिए, राइट? यस।
सशक्तिकरण की होती है कि मतलब हमें अपनी सरकार से उम्मीदें हैं और अपने युवा भाइयों से भी
Yes, of course, of course.
और ये अगर हमारा देश जो है ना, यहाँ पर बहन बेटियों की अगर सुरक्षा है तो हमारे युवा भाइयों के कारण है, वरना तो हमारी बहन बेटियों की तो बड़ी बहुत ही मतलब जिंदगी नरकी है।
Exactly,
तो
सही बात।
मुझे एक और चीज कहना है अपने युवा भाइयों से कि एक हम चरित्र पे बात उठाते हैं कि सबसे ज्यादा जो चरित्रहीनता हो रही है, जो घर टूट रहे हैं, जो फैमिलियां बर्बाद हो रही हैं शादीशुदा, तो उन पर कैसे अंकुश लगे, कैसे मतलब जो कोर्ट में इतने सारे केस जा रहे हैं, कभी पत्नियों की गलती होती तो कभी हस्बैंड की गलती होती, तो मुझे लगता है सबसे ज़्यादा घर क्यों टूट रहे हैं, क्योंकि अगर पत्नी अपने पति के होते हुए कहीं दूसरी जगह अफेयर कर रही है या पति कहीं दूसरी जगह।
बट आपको नहीं लगता मैम कि ये महिला सशक्तिकरण का थोड़ा सा वायलेशन हो रहा है, उल्लंघन हो रहा है, जिस तरह से महिलाएं मिसयूज कर रही हैं, राइट?
उस पे अंकुश लगना चाहिए, उस पे अंकुश लगना। और जो चरित्रवान बहन बेटियां हैं, जो एक मिडिल फैमिली से बिलोंग करती हैं, जिनके भाई बहन जो भाई पेरेंट्स बाहर बेटियों को नहीं निकलने देते हैं, जैसे जो हम लोग झेले पड़े हैं, और जहाँ पर भाई बैठाल देते हैं, शादी कर देते हैं, निभाते हैं, यहाँ तक कि सास ससुर की सेवा करो, घर में हाथ में हस्बैंड को जूता भी पहनाओ, फिर भी वो चप्पल जूता खाते हैं, तो क्यों खाते हैं? वो मुझे सबसे बड़ा कष्ट है कि अगर हमारे देश की बहन बेटियां अपने पति की सेवा करें, सास ससुर की सेवा करें, तो उन्हें क्यों कष्ट दिया जा रहा? क्यों पति बाहर मतलब जो है दूसरी महिलाओं के प्रति मुड़ रहा है? जो जब बहन बेटियां, जब जैसे चरित्रवान जो पत्नियां हैं, उनको क्यों पीड़ा दी जा रही है पति के द्वारा? और अधिकारी वर्ग के लिए मैं कहना चाह रही हूँ, मैं IAS PCS वालों के लिए बोलना चाह रहे हैं, अगर आपकी पत्नी अच्छी है, चरित्रवान है और अच्छी फैमिली से है, अगर वो सुबह आपको 5 बजे उठकर आपके पैरों में मालिश कर रही, शूज भी पहना रही और अपने पेरेंट्स के फादर इन लॉ मदर इन लॉ की सेवा करे और फैमिली की कर रही है, तो तुम क्यों दूसरी जगह जा रहे हो? क्यों बड़े बड़े होटल में अय्याशी करने जा रहे हो? ये सबसे बड़ी। अगर आपकी पत्नी कैरेक्टरलेस है तो उसको फेंक दो, निकाल दो। हम हाई कोर्ट और सुप्रीम कोर्ट में एक पिटीशन दायर करूंगी कि चरित्रहीनता पर अंकुश लगना चाहिए, चाहे स्त्री हो चाहे पुरुष हो, क्योंकि मेरा देश बर्बाद हो रहा है इन चीज़ों पे। लड़कियां बहुत गलत वे में जा रही हैं और कुछ पुरुष भी बहुत गलत उसमें जा रहे हैं, और जो अच्छे युवा भाई हैं उनकी भी जिंदगी नरक हो रही, कुछ महिलाओं के कारण, कुछ लड़कियों के कारण। बहुत जो हमने युवा भाई देखे हैं कि उनकी जो गर्लफ्रेंड होती है कहीं छोड़ के पैसे के कारण दूसरे के पास चली जाती, ऐसे तो धज्जियां उड़ जाएंगी हमारे देश के संस्कारों की, ऐसे तो तबाह हो जाएंगे, हमारे घर तबाह हो जा रहे हैं। तो इन पर अंकुश लगाए तो हमारे
आपकी बातों का मैं बिल्कुल आज्ञा पालन करता हूँ। जिस तरह से आपने बोला।
और जब भी कोई मैटर होता है बहन बेटियों को लेकर तो सबसे पहले आंदोलन में मेरे युवा भाई कूदते हैं। सबसे देश के हमारे युवा भाई अपनी बहन बेटियों की इज्जत बचाते हैं, उन्हें सुरक्षा प्रदान करते हैं। और ये कहना चाहूँगी जो दलित बस्तियों में जो अनपढ़ जाहिर गंवार हैं बच्चे, उनको थोड़ा सरकार पढ़ाने के लिए मुहिम छोड़े कि वो भी सुरक्षित, वो भी एजुकेटेड हो और ये जो बलात्कार जैसी घटनाएं वहाँ पे रुके। जब हम शिक्षित होंगे, जब हम इतिहास पढ़ेंगे अपने देश का, तो हमारे देश में बलात्कार जैसी घटनाएं नहीं होंगी।
आपका नाम क्या है?
मधु पटेल।
क्या करती हैं आप?
हाउस वाइफ है।
बहुत अच्छा, चलिए ठीक है। ये आपका मैसेज पूरे भारत में जा रहा है। हम लोग के पास 4 लाख सब्सक्राइबर्स हैं। उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आपकी बातों से अगर एक लोग का जहन चेंज हो जाएगा तो सबसे बड़ा बदलाव हो जाएगा। राइट, एक बार क्लैप करिए। बहुत अच्छे, वेरी नाइस, बहुत अच्छे, बहुत अच्छे। हमें ज़रूरत है ऐसी महिलाओं की। बहुत अच्छे, वेरी नाइस।
So hello everyone, Sat Shri Akal, Namaste, Adab. This is me Aditi Modanwal with a cameraman Chunni Lal. So here lots of people who are doing strikes. Why? I think we should talk with them. So we know what is the reason of that. Sir, why are you here?
मैम हमारी मांगे पूरी करो।
Why are you here, sir?
I am here because I am very much worried. I am very much patient because of ma'am I want daru.
Do you drink
I
wine,
want
sir?
daru, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
But why do you want to drink alcohol?
Ma'am, I am in a habitual action, ma'am. I am in a habitual action. I am depressed, ma'am. I am depressed, so I want daru.
Do you see, guys? Do you see, guys? He is not standing properly, but he wants alcohol, wine. Why, sir?
Because of man, because of he, there are no anyone girl want to go outside because of he.
Yes, he is right. He is right.
No, ma'am, I want to die. I want to die. I won't die, ma'am. I want daru, ma'am. I can't survive in this state.
They are very. He is not in his mind. Even he wants wine. I think we should go other.
Wine is harmful.
If I got wine, then I am oppressed.
Why it is happening in India? Why it is happening in India? Because of unemployment. He doesn't have a job and he only want to drink alcohol.
Man, what about his wife? Yes, his wife. What about his parents? What about his?
My wife is very much happy.
He does not think about his children.
Yes.
So it is
What do
happening.
you think about your family member?
Ma'am, my family member is very much happy, ma'am. Drink man can't be to anyone. Ma'am,
I think we should change. We should change. Ma'am, come here.
Saying we are studying day and night, we are struggling day and night, but we are not getting what? Unemployment. Not successful. We are not getting success because of unemployment.
What?
Are you blaming the government? Are you blaming the government? Are you blaming the government?
No, I'm not blaming the government.
But you are talking about.
What do you think, sir? Corruption is going. Sir, corruption is going on. Why, sir? What do you think? Because of unemployment.
No. Corruption is going on because of many builders. They are doing
lots of
corruption.
uneducated leaders are coming in our society and country. It's
Unemployment is happening because of the person does not have skill. Because of that, the person does not have education. The people totally blaming only for our government. Nobody has any education. Nobody has skills.
Which type of skill do you have?
But because of corruption, because of people and
No. If you have,
Here you can see that they are fighting with each other because of unemployment, because they are skilled but they are not getting a job.
They have no skills. You can ask him. You can ask to her.
Sir, why you are here? Sir, why are you here?
I am here for permitting the private job.
you are blaming our government. I am job holder, and I am doing job in government sector, but because of lack of education. Yes,
I don't have job. हमारी मांगे पूरी करो. I want justice.
Ma'am, you have my okay.
We want justice.
Sir, here lots of people they think they think that social media is a big problem of unemployment.
I cleared the net JRF, but when I go for the interview, they are demanding for 15 lakhs rupees. I have capability. How can I pay 15 lakh rupees? I want my job. I want my job because I have my capability. I have capability.
I feel your pain, ma'am.
That's why dowry system are prevailing. That's why dowry system are prevailing. We girls have lot of degrees. We girls have lot of degrees, but not getting job.
Sir, what sir, you make a chart, eradicate caste system. What do you want to say?
Because ma'am, we are facing many time untouchability. We are living in 20th century. That's why rather than when we go for like I will go for Lucknow. I came here for rent. First of all, house owner said say your caste.
Oh my God! It is a very sensitive topic.
Because I am Dalit. My
Caste system are even caste system 21st century in prevailing right now.
If in this era you are talking about casteism, so it is a very bad. They are facing lots of problems.
Government are not able to eradicate the caste system by the root.
This was me, Aditi, from with my cameraman Jhunni Lal from Well Talk Media. Thank you so much.
You guys, here is Mr. Jhunni Lal, your cameraman. So now I am going to talk about what is the condition. Yeah?
You are not cameraman, you are reporter, right?
Oh, sorry. He told me. Hey,
Good morning, everybody. This is me, Muskan, with cameraman Jhunni Lal, and I'm here. You can see they are protesting. They are against. They want the reconduct of the Public Service Commission paper because they think the paper got leaked, and because of that, many people got the selection, and they were the victim of the exam and the misconduct of the examination. So let's go and talk to let's go and talk to everybody about that. What do you have to say? What do you have to say about the exam?
I say about exam, I have completed my bachelor of degree. I also came here from preparing BPSC examination. I sell two buffaloes for fees. But when I go attend the BPSC exam, suddenly exam was leaked, paper was leaked because of government. We can't. We are educated and we are well prepared for BPSC exam, but we don't pass in exam because exam was failed, sir.
Please come here.
That's right.
Please come here.
What do you have to say?
I have done BTech and then still I am working the private. No one can value my degree. No one can appreciate
Why
my
have you not
knowledge.
tried in BTech? Why are you here? Why have you not tried in
No,
BTech?
when we are protested, we don't have right to protest against of government. They beat us. They beat us.
I have knowledge,
people,
skills
by
about
police.
anything. I have like a project. This
Okay,
about.
So, sir, what do you think? Who is responsible for that? You are responsible, or the system is responsible for the leaking of the paper?
System, because system is no perfect. Who is the best and who is the best? And regardless of wind, I become a drinker, ma'am. Really. I become a drinker.
Demand, are you voting media? Are you support only government? You don't have right.
Ma'am, I am the aspirants of the BPSC, okay? And in a BPSC is the normalization. When I woke up in the morning and when I saw the news and I saw the normalization, ma'am, can you imagine? It's my preparation 5 years. How can like become the like?
So, sir, what's the problem? What is the issue with the government? You people are repeatedly giving the same paper just to increase the post. How is government responsible for that? Why you are not satisfied with the one post?
Absolutely.
I can't tell you, ma'am. Cameraman, look, see. Cameraman, look, she belongs to Goti Media, so that I can't say anything. She belongs from Goti Media. That's why
What do you want from the government, sir? What do
Yes,
you want?
I want justice for those students. I want justice for those students who are protesting on the road of Bihar, on the road of Prayagraj. I'm worried about
Yes. What do you have?
Nowadays,
Now,
no.
what do you want from the government? Just say.
Ma'am, I want
Say,
to,
just
I
say,
want,
face the
yes,
camera.
I want for justice. Only for because
I want teaching vacancy from
Because
government. I want teaching vacancy from government.
vacancy
Yes,
from
I want. I am a depression.
But tell me one thing. If everybody is sending their children to private school, how will
Nobody sending.
how will government will increase the vacancy?
What do you think about Bihar government?
I want to ask a question for you. Why are you abusing my country? Why are you abusing my country? Every time, whenever I watch your news channel, whenever
When it started, government said that we are providing.
They are completely a fish market. What kind of performance have you done, yaar? You are just shouting.
She was really doing well. She was doing amazingly. You guys could not cooperate her. She was really doing amazingly. I thought that I'm giving you a chance.
You have to say when someone is saying that you have to keep calm.